What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Mod Watches channel, and today we've got two very nice Daytona mods going out. I just wanted to show you those before they go out today, and one of these is actually a new kid on the block. We haven't done this mod before, so we're going to be showing you that in a bit more detail as well. So let's get started with this first one. This is the new kid on the block. This is the first time that we're doing this mod, and basically it's the Meteorite Daytona mod, but we've done it on a gold colorway rather than a silver colorway. And take a look at that, guys. Looks very nice, very premium, shines under the sun really nicely. And we've done a silver one before on the website. You can check that out. This gold one is the first time we've done this, and it's going out for a custom order for a customer in Manchester. So we get a lot of orders from Manchester these days, so shout out to Manchester. But yeah, this one's going out there, and it comes with the same specs as the rest of our Daytona mods as well. So you get a 40mm watch face diameter, you get 30 meters of water resistance, and this one in particular comes on the Oyster Flex bracelet. So you've got the rubber bracelet there for maximum comfort, and it also goes really nicely with the actual design of this watch, and of course the added benefit of being able to cut down the size of the strap to your exact wrist diameter. All the hands on this watch work. You can use the chronograph function as well, because this is based on the Seiko VK63 movement. So we've shown that in another video. I won't go into that here, but yes, you can use all of the watch faces that you see on this watch. Okay, and that'll do it for this particular watch. Let's show you the other one. This is also a really nice watch. Take a look at this, guys. Absolutely beautiful watch, shines all over the place, very nice. All the gold accents showing in its full color there. And again, so this is very similar to the previous one. We have done this before. It's available on the website. That one, if you want to purchase that, you can let us know on the WhatsApp link in the description below. Just let us know you're looking to buy one of them, and we'll be happy to create that for you. This one, if you want to purchase it, there's actually a link to this underneath this video, so you can just go ahead on the website and purchase it. Very similar specs to the previous one. So we've got a 40mm face diameter on this one as well. We've got all the gold colorway on this one, except obviously the face is black, and the chronograph also works as well. So again, the Seiko VK63 movement, and we've got 30 meters of water resistance on this one as well. The Oyster Flex bracelet, exactly the same as the one on that one. So again, you can cut this down to your exact size, and again, it goes very nicely with the actual design of the watch as well. You've got the gold clasp on the back. And yeah, if you want to do this on a metal bracelet, we'll be happy to do that for you as well. And then that goes for this watch as well. If you want to change something up, you want to modify something, please do let us know. There's lots of variations that we can do, and we'll be more than happy to do it for you. Just let us know what you want to change. Alright, so that will do it for this video. If you want to purchase any of these, link to this one, description below. To purchase this, let us know. There'll be a link in the WhatsApp. Well, there'll be a WhatsApp link below. You can let us know if you want to purchase this one, and we'll be happy to do any of these for you. We're going to get these wrapped up and off to our customers today. So if any of you customers are watching this video, if these are going out to you, these watches are coming to you, and the wait is almost over now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.